You are a failed general secretary, and it is alleged that you demanded something before you joined the campaign. Madam for. I will start talking matters. And the party has who a general secretary of the party co-position, go and sit down somewhere. I am the MP elect for Gumwa Central. You are the general secretary of a party that has collapsed.
Ebusia member of parliament elect for Gumwa Central, Kwame A+ were July to see the NPP na huna mane. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong hu bo mu kakra. Afenyo Markin enso hu bo mu kakra. Ana mu general secretary ne de ono de hu bo mu ye ankasa.
You are irrelevant and they are going to vote against you. Your political career has come to an end. Go and sit down somewhere. Ghana no one can who be. You are a weak general secretary. You are a failed general secretary. Justin Kobia.
Let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I pop into a video, make sure to subscribe. I know I click on notification bell so there any upload there again. On Sabetina canal say I'm for Abeshe. Your Facebook as Let's Talk GH rumors and your TikTok as Let's Talk GH. Make sure to follow these pages. Any comments there I want to be feel free. And where there comment section also. Eddie Mammy. And that day yet see ho ye jay ye say ene and a parliament closely. 8th parliament no omu close ene because ochina yes swear in president elect John Dramani Mahama. Yet why we are kataban ye dwene ho an who say Kwame A+ abe post our year no same. The NPP led by Honorable Kennedy Agyapong has officially approached me to discuss aligning with them in parliament. Their proposal includes several intriguing agreements, such as commitments that they will not contest in the Gumwa Central parliamentary seat in the 2028 election. The NDC, with whom I genuinely wish to align, has also invited me for a meeting tomorrow at 8 a.m. While I have friends in both the NDC and NPP, they have to understand that I would have to disappoint someone tomorrow. Let me make this simple and clear. Deep down, my heart leans towards the NDC, but I will ultimately side with whoever has my interests at heart and provides the best offer for me and the people of Gumwa Central. Now, just any post when and say, oh, NDC led by Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Afenyo, Catherine say, Beyanka, Parliament wako so no hanka onko NPP side. Sanso ana ochina. Enso so NDC so ni wo meeting ati si ani nyina agina se obi a eche no akoni die mu but ono de nanka na koma mu de na ope NDC na emu no ochina da ne de wo so obi a de hye tirim se obetimi a disappoint obi a because baby ana koma wo any baby a ni omo proposal na be trend so omo be boa ne nkofo ne ho anobe enti post we buy no na Ghana for you because ti se CI obekon hefa because MPP any A+ there
Honorable Ken Bekanasem, so he wants me to be with the NPP, caucus with them. There is a future in the NPP for me as a great guy. On the party and then or can't or know what will benefit his party, and that's exactly what he's supposed to do. It's or Ken Bekanasem is okay, and then he put his offer down. He put his offer on the table, and Honorable Ken was not doing this alone. Afenyo Markin is aware because every step. He has already had conversations with Afenyo. Say this is what we are doing, so and so and so. Afenyo Markin, who is the minority leader, is aware. All the leadership world parliament are aware. Dana ye can semono na chairman, party chairman, nipa ewo Stephen Tim nipa wo and ye can some we Honorable Ken when country catch Stephen Tim nipa no ho ne say. Oka catch chairman say my friend me nyano ba me ni A+ aka asem ni nyina ewie into who could be and who to me nkwa because and the party has who your general secretary of the party co-position go and sit down somewhere. I am the MP elect for Gumwa Central. You are the general secretary of a party that has collapsed. You are irrelevant and they are going to vote against you. Your political career has come to an end. Go and sit down somewhere. Ghana no one can who be. You are a weak general secretary. You are a failed general secretary. Justin Kobia, I'm telling you, you are a failed general secretary. You failed the party. Oba party now omo parliamentarians bebre wo de omo co-opposition. Anye John Boy crowd you win one term. My party na answer tu no. You are a failed general secretary, and it is alleged that you demanded something before you joined the campaign. Me na neje ye madam fo. Enti no so me nya wo jimi wo a I will start talking matters. Na neje is my very good friend. The last time that we were like, we feel no enemy ba ho. I know you don't talk. Could you raise your voice but be no problem. What I say? Na neje is my very good friend. On the national security, as many issue. I was the one who was standing behind him. Me na me den the call Captain Smart. Can the Japan the friend the come say me so. Na neje ye nyina ye nua. So I know you. When na neje din comment say wa catch me o. I'm telling you. So go and sit down. Don't bring yourself because me nya speedy pe. I will do things that you don't want. You don't want anybody to hear. Shut up and go and sit down somewhere. I am a member of parliament. You are a nobody. Oba constituency be organizing for. I still won in your stronghold. A+ is an institution on my own. When your honorable cannot be KBM, say no better now. I said now me and your honorable in Japan. Munina honorable can catch them and say Munina Mushu some meaning be no bit me approaching me. Not even a Kufuado. Honorable can catch them say all of you are scared to approach me. And so he is the one, I am a boss, he can approach me. That is why you guys ask him to come and approach me. Have you ever approaching me? Yes, statement, I got church or in Guasena, come on, won't find paper being fantina. Honorable can catch him or see Munina, or be a source of him. And of course, who could be away a small boy, who bet up when you ever cancer then. Like A+ a winning election near penny for and yet a Fred or Warren nominee, Freddie Blaine of Nabaga, who could be a small boy, who between the Mabacasa. Who do mammy in the Mabacasa? Because who could obey you, we are saying a NPP platform, they do be a obey do. Munina, all of you were your NPP platform never honor. And I did build a mobile do be a modern Kwame A+ is an institution. I got up Gumo Obuasi since 1992. NPP winning Kuno that I won Obuasi. I won Esikuma. I won German. NPP has never won there. Kwame A+ is a stronger. I say don't get Yakura MP NDC chairman Oba Gumo Sebu Obeye Dede Bekasaya. I won like 85% of the vote. A+ is a strong guy. A+ is a strong guy. And I don't need NDC on NPP to do what I want to do. It's just that in penny for NPP, if you were NDC, for me, papa no me ofanum, and I showed them a lot of respect. What I say? Yesterday, I called Justice Sai, and I asked Justice Sai that how can I want to sit alone in Parliament? Me person me board them was Parliament no more. And Justice Sai told me that he gave me his own advice, which I don't think is okay to put out here. But he gave me a very good advice. And of course, Justice Sai is one of the best lawyers in Ghana. He told me the advantages and disadvantages. He didn't say do it or don't do it, but he gave me the advantages, the disadvantages, the so and so, career build, all of that. And I felt like the advice he gave me was perfect. What do you say? I'm a plus. Maybe I'm Parliament. It's no man find say with him say over a statement in A+, we have not approached him. Agyapong so me hu me no nanka so and na me post na me here no. I told you that me I want to go and sit with the NDC and so you know that Atufosn is meeting me today and you know that the meeting no by the time I me fi Atufosn office I me pie no you asma okan no I'll come and disappoint you. It will say oh yeah fast. Obey this statement na ko say na be ye nimguase ma na nimguase atumi ne wan bi wo obi anka obey din no atena ase. Me I'm still independent too. I'll meet people, I will caucus with somebody, but my brain in my head is independent. Nobody obi no be control Kwame A+. So Kwame A+ is a non-conformist. I'm not going to Parliament on anybody's invitation. I'm going to Parliament because I did, because I worked hard, because God put me there, because the people of Gomwa Central put me there, because Ghanaians put me there. I'm unruly. Nobody can control. Kwame A+ is out of control. I'm doing what is best for Ghana, for Gomwa Central, and for myself. I have the bragging right. I won the election. You can cry a river. Kwame A+ won. And the street is so happy. The street is so happy. They are happy for Kwame A+. The street is so happy. Because they have a guy in there. Go and sit down somewhere. When you go, your political career has come to an end. Young man, you're the party, without the party in the co-opposition.
I was saying, many any updates we about me the baby sumeka or china or say, Kwame A+ or Kwakoshia NDC for final decision we about me the bebro meeting Edina Napia Santua. Macram.